In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of some of the recent legislative and interpretive changes that companies should be aware of when looking to apply for the Research and Development or R&D Tax Credit Regime. This regime provides a 25% tax credit, often available as a cash refund on qualifying R&D activities. Some of the recent changes include changes introduced in Finance Act 2019, which affect companies with accounting periods commencing on 22nd December 2019 or later, which require that notification must be given in advance or at the time of any payments being made to subcontractors, if this expenditure is something that companies want to include in their R&D tax credit claim. Revenue released guidelines in April 2021, within which they stated that rent would no longer be deemed an allowable cost for R&D tax credit purposes in Revenue's view. It is understood that this change in revenue interpretation will apply for accounting periods commencing on or after 1st of July 2020. Due to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, Revenue released guidance allowing for early repayment of R&D tax credit refunds for companies who are in a cash refund position. This applies for accounting periods ending in 2020 and for accounting periods ending up to March 2021. A new regime applicable to organisations with less than 50 people and an annual turnover or balance sheet of less than 10 million euros is also on the horizon. This will provide for an increased credit rate of 30% for qualifying organisations, the ability to access the regime earlier, and an ability to increase the amount available as a repayable credit. This is a constantly evolving area, and so specific guidance should be sought where you have any queries, with these points being for illustration or example purposes only. Please feel free to try our easy-to-use assessment tool, which will help you to carry out an initial review of whether you might qualify and how much you might be able to avail of through this R&D tax incentive. This is one of a series of videos to help you on your R&D journey.